here is the board cutting dies. So today I gonna use this one to make a Christmas card. Here I got these two different small different shapes from this background. I just already choose some different patterns and different papers about Christmas. I'll choose this black paper for the background, stick it on the black paper. I'll let them get them together, stick them together, and take out this black paper. Okay, we just use the glue. Stick the background on the black paper. For example, here is the first shape. So take out the glue, stick on. Okay, now we got this colorful shape with this golden board, and then we will stick to the board. Now I'll choose another. Stick the red one here. We got the Christmas style cards. Okay, so now finally I made the card about the Christmas. Okay, but also let me show you another example for this cutting dies. We also made another styles. So which one do you like better?